Oops. Hey guys, it's Katie Coco back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube collection video. So I have just started to be a cuber about 3 days ago. So I don't have that many cubes. I have 4. I'm only going to show you 3. And I'm getting another one tomorrow. What is this? Just normal. Okay. By the way, that's Jacob.
Hey guys, just eating chocolate.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'm getting another one, which is a 2x2 neon, but we're going to talk about that later in the video.
Wonderful.
I'm doing this. No. Wait, yeah. Okay. So my first Rubik's Cube is a 3x3 normal cube, you know, 3x3x3. My second cube is can you do the white one on that? Okay, so I'm just getting Jacob to do this while I'm doing my video. The second cube I'll show you after. So this is another cube.
Yeah, because I'm a good Cooper.
Yeah, because you started before me. You started 6 months ago, you said. I started 3 days ago. Okay, so next I have
when
this.
you seen my Rubik's Cube collection because you thought it was awesome.
Okay, fine, but still. So I have this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Which, yeah.
This is too hard. The Paris makes it too hard.
We'll go a little bit.
Okay, just gonna go over here.
Yeah. So 2x2. And I'm going to do a better show too. So I got it today.
Okay, it's still wet.
Every time. No, don't show it yet. Just it.
Yeah, I can't. So
My
sorry.
next cube is this mini tiny cube. It is a 3x3.
And it's so small.
Smaller than, it's like the world's smallest.
So you showed this one, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the 2x2, yeah? So Rubik's own brands. Look,
It's the same size as one. Wait,
one tile.
one tile.
It's even a bit smaller. Okay,
Okay.
and then last but not least,
My 3x3.
so it's one of the, it's a mini.
It's a bit stiff. This one has
So
a
by
lot
the
of
way,
passes.
guys, this is a super duper mini cube.
Yeah, it's like really small.
Yeah, look at it on my hand. Like literally, that is crazy, you guys. It's not sticking, but whatever. That size,
Okay,
just about the size.
so this one, so normal
Are
3x2.
you gonna show them my cube collection?
Yeah.
Mine
This
is a
one-
bit bigger.
By the way, this video will probably cut off because I don't have a lot of storage. But this
Wanna
one
go
has a
get
bit of
my
Paris.
stuff?
Go quick. This one has a bit of Paris. We've tried to lube it like twice. It doesn't look it that much, but yeah. This one has a Paris. Yeah, that one's. This has the worst Paris. Okay, got it. That has the worst Paris of all my Rubik's Cubes I've ever had. And my other 3x3, I haven't used it in a while, so I don't know if it's got Paris or not. I can't remember. And this is mine all
So
stacked
she
up.
has 2 3x3s and 1 2x2.
Oh, and tomorrow I'm
We
getting
have the same
2x2.
2x2 by the way, guys.
Yeah, we have the same one.
So
And
for,
tomorrow I will be getting another 2x2 white neon.
so first we're gonna start with 2x2s and then go to the 3x3s.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the.
So
I'll just start off with the.
same one.
Yep.
Just the same.
Where's your small one? Okay.
And then here is my speeds 2x2. Really good at turning. I love this one. This is my main 2x2.
No Paris because it's a speed cube.
And this one, it's
you want to
not
sit
as
where I'm
small as
sitting?
this. No, it's fine. I'm good. So it's not as small as hers, but it's still pretty small compared to like this. And this is pretty small compared to my main 3x3. So here's my main 3x3. It only has the white side solved because I wasn't really working on it. It has a little bit of paralysis. It's not a speed cube, by the way, guys. But it's overall, it's my main and it's really good. So it's...
I'm working on it.
Look, these are the difference of the sizes. It's still pretty small compared. So like, yeah, it's pretty small. It's not that small, but yeah. And then we're moving on to ones so that aren't cubes. Like, they're just puzzles. So first I have my Pyraminx. It's not solved at all. This is a speed Pyraminx, so it's really good. And I love it. And this is my main, and it's my only. And then we'll move on to my mirrored cube. So my mum mixed it and I couldn't get it back. So it's my mirrored training cube, and I don't use it anymore because it's mixed and I can't solve it. And I'll leave the best for last. So next, this one isn't really a cube at all. Like, it isn't really even
not by
a Rubik's.
It's not by the. Yeah, it's not by Rubik's. It's not by that.
By the way, this one's a Shangyu. And this one's a Shangyu. This one is, I can't remember the make of this one. This one is, oh my god, it's a really? Sounds like really.
Wait.
This one is a Rubik's Zone, just like this one. So these two are Rubik's Zones, my 2x2 and my main 3x3. And then last but not least is my Megaminx dodecahedron. So cubers, if any cubers are watching this, you're probably going to say like, this is not a dodecahedron. Dodecahedrons are bigger and not this shape, but it is a Megaminx dodecahedron. Trust me when I say that, right? So then my whole cube collection. So there's my things, mini cubes. You go on top of there, my 3x3. 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 Look, yeah, they're all like just cramming in trying to get first. Oh yeah! You have one. So this is right now is a llama. By the way, guys.
So I'm gonna show you.
So it twists pretty good. So, and then this one at the front. And then knock over.
So this is all the cubes.
So
Wait, let me see.
show them all the cubes all together, even yours.
But how are we gonna tell? Yeah, mine's got a white side done.
Mine's got the rest done.
Yeah,
So-
mine's just got the white side. So
Wait, I'm gonna put yours at this side, right?
it doesn't matter. Mine's only got the white side done.
No, all of them, all yours.
Okay.
So
No, put them closer.
yeah, so like, closer.
This is all
Guys,
the
all the
cubes.
ones at this side are hers. All the ones at this side are mine.
I'm not counting the llama in because that's not a Rubik's cube, or it's not by Rubik's.
Neither is this, or this, or this.
Yeah, but they're
or this,
whatever.
or this.
Whatever.
I know what you mean. It's not a proper
Yeah, I don't like.
one of the puzzles.
I don't like that because I have one of them things, but bigger.
I know, and yours is from Smiggle.
So guys, I'll do another video.
Wait, is it from?
Oh, I just came out of that
I
position.
don't think it's from Smiggle.
'Cause I'm a
I think
gymnast.
it's actually, what you call it? Justice.
Yeah, I think it's from Justice.
It's from their sales, one of their sales.
I don't know. I don't think
You
I
love
bought it.
Justice.
Yeah, I love Justice. I got this new jumper.
I love like JD and
You got a new t-shirt too. Or a
no, a new shirt.
Don't worry. So, I'll be doing another video, like more videos on my cubes.
By the way, guys, this isn't straight.
Okay. Well,
And it twists really weirdly.
so I'll be doing another one of these videos when I've got my new cubes, and if I can find my other cube, which is my other 3x3.
Oh no, you have so many 3x3s.
That's yours, because that's got
Yeah.
tiles.
So I have.
So by the way, we'll do another video on what has
Two,
tiles,
I
what
have
has stickers, and we'll do that later. So
by the way,
bye!
some of these